Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic kitchen gadget that can elevate your blending game, the Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher Blender. We discovered this versatile blender online and have included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. The Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher is designed specifically for blending smoothies, but it's much more than just a smoothie maker. With a powerful 700-watt motor and a 40-ounce glass jar, this blender is built for performance and convenience. Its sleek black and stainless steel design is not only stylish but also durable, promising long-lasting use in your kitchen. Now let's talk about some of the standout features that make the Wave Crusher a must-have for any kitchen. First and foremost, it's built to last. The motor is life-tested to blend up to 8,000 frozen drinks, which is a testament to its durability and reliability. Plus, it's backed by a 3-year limited warranty, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. One of the most impressive aspects of the Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher is its versatility. It boasts 14 different blending functions that cater to a wide range of culinary tasks. Whether you're whipping up a refreshing smoothie, creating a frozen cocktail, or preparing salsa and dips for your next gathering, this blender can handle it all. The intuitive interface makes it easy to select the right function for any recipe. Another key feature is its ice crushing power. Equipped with stainless steel ice Sabre blades, the Wave Crusher provides consistent blending results, whether you're chopping, pureeing, or crushing ice. This makes it an excellent choice for those who enjoy making milkshakes or frozen drinks, as it can break down ice and frozen fruits effortlessly. One of the unique technologies in the Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher is the patented Wave Action System. This innovative design continuously forces ingredients down into the blades while blending, ensuring that everything from ice to frozen fruit is thoroughly crushed and mixed. This means you won't have to stop and stir your ingredients halfway through, just set it and let it work its magic. Now, who is this blender suitable for? If you're a health enthusiast who loves whipping up smoothies or a busy parent looking for quick and convenient meal prep solutions, the Wave Crusher is an excellent fit. It's also perfect for anyone who enjoys entertaining and needs a reliable blender for creating drinks and appetizers. In practical use cases, imagine starting your day with a delicious smoothie packed with fruits and greens. Just throw in your ingredients, select the smoothie function, and in seconds, you'll have a perfectly blended drink ready to go. Or picture hosting a gathering and using the Wave Crusher to create refreshing frozen cocktails or dips for your guests. Cleanup is a breeze too, as the lid, glass jar, removable blades, and jar collar are all dishwasher safe, allowing you to spend more time enjoying your creations and less time cleaning up. In summary, the Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher Blender is a versatile and powerful kitchen appliance that caters to a wide range of blending needs. With its long-lasting performance, multiple functions, and easy cleanup, it's an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance their culinary experience. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you,